Welcome to the Sunshine State of Florida, where the demand for new homes is soaring. With an estimated 1.5 million new homes minimum required to be built across the United States, the need for efficient and cost-effective construction solutions has never been greater. Introducing the Hadrian X robot, the game changer in the construction industry. This advanced technology has the ability to lay blocks at remarkable speeds. Just imagine the impact it could have on Florida's residential construction market, where over 200,000 homes are built per year. FBR has partnered with a top global building materials supplier for a demonstration program to showcase this groundbreaking technology to major U.S. builders. The Hadrian X offers significant waste reduction and improved worksite safety, with a delivery model providing unprecedented time and cost savings. Florida, which has one of the highest population growth rates in the United States, is expanding at approximately 2% per year. The demand for housing is at an all-time high, with an additional 500,000 homes needing to be built by 2030. Fortunately, the Florida market is already receptive to construction robotics, having established itself as a hub for 3D concrete printing in the United States. The Hadrian X seamlessly integrates into this dynamic environment, offering unparalleled efficiency and precision. But our vision extends beyond the Sunshine State. FBR has set its sights on conquering new markets, with multiple other U.S. states applicable to experience the transformative capabilities of the Hadrian X. The timber frame construction market is also taking note of the potential of Hadrian X technology. By leveraging construction robotics, we aim to revolutionize this traditional construction method, bringing efficiency and innovation to the forefront. FBR is ready to unlock the true building potential in Florida and beyond. To learn more about the Hadrian X construction robot, visit fbr.com.au.